Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Rated V, where I excite you about plant-based food with recipes and travel guides and food reviews. And today I'm gonna share a vegan mac and cheese recipe that's Southern style with all the spices that I put into it. It's super good and gluten-free, so let's get into it. So first you peel and chop your potatoes into chunks. This will help with the consistency of the vegan cheese sauce. Then peel your carrots. This adds color and a touch of sweetness. Add an onion for flavor, and most importantly, raw cashews. This provides the creaminess. Boil the potatoes, carrots, onion, and cashews in enough water to cover until the potatoes are cooked through, about 15 to 20 minutes. Next is the spices. Paprika, garlic, pepper, oregano, and thyme give it a southern flair, and a very important ingredient is the nutritional yeast, since this is what gives it the cheesy flavor. I'll leave a link in the comments below so you guys can buy it yourselves. Add your boiled veggies into a high-speed blender with spices and a cup of water and blend until you get a delicious, thick, and runny cheese consistency. Taste and adjust as needed. I'm adding hot sauce since I like things spicy. To add more nutritional value, you can also add baked broccoli to mix in at the end. While that's baking, cook your pasta. I'm currently obsessed with lentil pasta since it's higher in fiber and protein than regular pasta, but still has a neutral flavor. And once it's cooked, add the drained pasta into a baking dish and pour that delicious cheesy sauce on top. And also your baked broccoli. Sprinkle with breadcrumbs and then bake again for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's a bit crispy. Then serve and enjoy this creamy goodness. Well guys, I hope you like that recipe. As you can see, you can make a large dish of it to serve as a side for gatherings, potlucks, holidays, or even if you just want a huge Pyrex of vegan mac and cheese for yourself, like me. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and share it to anybody who you know who'd want to try this recipe. If you want to see more places where you can eat vegan mac and cheese, you can check the link above here. And if you want to indulge in some travel this time, you can join me on my journeys and all my travel videos in this link above here. So hope you guys like it. Bye!